Alright, I'm going to try and add a bit of like sweetness up the top there, just to lighten it up a little bit. Let's get a bit of water on that. Plenty of that white in. Don't forget, if this goes belly up, I can always paint over it. Just on some of these edges. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some water in a second. I'm going to blend that in because I will be getting some white highlights in there and making it look more foamy. This is all going to darken down when it dries. It's more of a bit of a wash really, and let's face it, it'll all cover up if it doesn't look right when it's dried. But I can see there now it's blending in lovely. Let's try a bit over here, trying to follow the waves. Then just brush it all in, brush it in, like that. A bit more on there. It's almost a dry brushing, but I want it in because I'm going to be painting the tops of all those crests. Just rub it in, you can see that drying now. Just scrub out those bits where the pigment's gone in a little bit much. That bit's looking good, that bit's good. Oh, sorry Mike. as it can. That's a good colour, I like that. There's no wrong way or right way of doing this, just get it on. I'm liking the look of that. Yeah. Maybe a little bit down there. You know, chuck more paint down the sink. There's enough there to paint a dozen dioramas. Let's get a bit more white on there. Because around there where there's been a bit of a splashdown, perfect. What I'm going to do now is clean that brush off. And have it almost dry, and then blend it in. And I'm almost there. So I'll just carry on blending that in a bit better. It's looking good. Wow. And I'll pop back later. Just got some Carillion blue washes on that now. I did video doing it. Well, obviously I didn't, because I didn't press the bloody play button hard now. But that'll dry lighter, and then I can add another coat. I might just go with a very, very light blue wash over the top. But as you can see, it's starting to blend in. The pigment's settled out. You can see that's what happens when you use cheap acrylic paints from the works. But we can sort that out when I put the next wash on. But it's getting there, a little bit each day.